Hello everyone. This video we are keeping data into multiple cell in Excel, how we can convert this multiple cell into single cells. Okay. So suppose if you're having for 4-line text in the Excel, these 4-line text, how we are keeping into single cell. That is what we are going to look in this video. Let's see. From here we are looking for 4 lines, okay, in a single cell. Say for example, if you're getting some data from the other location, you're copying from there and pasting over here. It's coming like this for 4 line or multiple lines. Okay, say for example, I have given here for 4 lines, but in your text will be more than 4 lines or 2 lines, something like that. Okay, but you require these all 4 lines into single cell itself. Say for example, above you can look, all 4 lines will be available in single cell. So how we can do these things, that is what we are going to doing over here. So normally instead of pasting one by one over there, with the help of the formula we are going to do it. So for that, what you need to do, the nearby cell you can apply for the formula equal to concatenate and open bracket, type it transpose and open bracket. You can select for the range, up to what range you need to convert all the cells into single cells. Okay, so I have 4 cells only, so I am selecting these 4 cells, then close the bracket and close the formula bracket also. After that, what you need to do, in order to execute this one, you have to press for F9. Okay, once you press F9, you have to go to formula bar and remove for the bracket as well as equal to. If you did not do it, you will not get it. Okay, so it's very important. Once you remove the bracket, and after selecting this one, you can click for the wrap text. Right now you can see every information which is available for 4 cells, it's available into one cell itself. In order to come for next line, in a sense, just you can put the cursor over there and press for Alt Enter. It will come for the next line, like that. Suppose if it is not required, you're not required to do for that respective step. Okay, so this is a way. Right now you can look, 4 lines is available in one cell. So right now you can cut and you have to paste over there, and what is available for the existing steps, just you can delete it. So this is a way for a multiple cells you can paste into a single cell. I think this video will be helpful to you. If it is helpful in a sense, you can subscribe as well as follow as well as suggest to your friends, which is helpful for those who are doing for data analysis as well as financial reporting purpose. Bye everyone.